Do off-brand pellets work in a Traeger grill? The simple answer is yes. Non-Traeger pellets like Kirkland brand from Costco will work. Of course, Traeger suggests using only their brand. But there's a very good reason I use Kirkland pellets in my Traeger. On a recent trip to Costco, I compared the prices. A 33-pound bag of Traeger brand wood pellets is $19.99, and that seems like a decent sized bag. I've bought official Traeger pellets many times and have been very happy with them. But compare that with the $12.99 price of a bag of Kirkland Signature wood pellets. Not only is Kirkland brand cheaper, you also get more because it comes in a 40-pound bag. So you get quite a bit more for lower cost. And I don't think there's much difference in what they're made of. The Traeger brand contains maple, hickory, and cherry wood. The Kirkland brand is basically the same except they added oak to their blend. And this is probably to avoid legal issues with Traeger. And if you want more proof, even Traeger's own website confirms that you can use non-Traeger pellets in their grills as long as they're food quality pellets and not the ones designed for home heating. So yes, if you find a good price on non-Traeger wood pellets, they definitely will work, and it won't void the warranty. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.